Meaning of expectation.
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 Expectation. Expectation refers to the anticipation or prediction of a certain outcome or event in the future. It is a mental state that involves a combination of hope, desire, and belief that something will happen or be achieved. Expectations can be realistic or unrealistic, and they can affect people's emotions, behavior, and decision-making. When expectations are met, there is a feeling of satisfaction and accomplishment. However, when expectations are not met, there can be disappointment, frustration, and even anger. Expectations can be shaped by various factors, such as culture, upbringing, experiences, and social norms.